Okay, in this session, we're going to focus on using the schematic components to generate the layout components and keep the connectivity. So let's go to the folder 3.4 and then go to the cell view L_band filter _lab, open the layout. It's empty one. And because this is the schematic driven flow, we are going to set the connectivity mode, net-based mode. So we go to Tools, Set Connectivity Options, Net-based. We will check Place Ground Symbol Instances when grounding a net to make sure all grounds get connected and checked by LVS. At this point, we're going to uncheck Calculate All Flight Wires Between Grounds to unclutter the display. But when you do the LVS, make sure you check it. Okay. Now go open the schematic and make the schematic occupy half of the window. Make our layout window occupy half of the window as well. Now we go Layout, place components from schematic to layout, and we're going to place the component one by one. The reason that I don't want to generate all of them at once, which I can if I need to, is because that I don't want it to be very cluttered. And I want the 2 pins, actually 3 of the pins. Go through. Okay. Now the next, what I need to do is I'm going to snap them together. So for this pin, I'm going to go in and snap to the pin. Here I have the pin, and then go to the center of the shape. Here, let me display the fly lines. Display flight lines. Okay. It's easier for me to move things. Go to the center, and these two go to this pin. These 3 go to this pin. And you need to snap right to the pin, otherwise they're not going to be connected. Go to here, snap it. Okay. So this one here, the schematic is actually wrong. This one needs to be M2. So this one needs to be M2. Snap here. Rotate, Control R to rotate, or you can use this toolbar to rotate and move. Go the way here. Okay, then go to another edge, and this one goes in here. Okay. Now for this one, I need to flip it down because it's too cluttered here. So I go Shift X, so need to and I can use the info window to take a look at each component, what it's about, because this is a component going through multiple layers and have different shapes. So here the info gave you the very good information. Okay. Next, I want to show you how to show the equivalent component between schematic and layout. So let me go open the schematic, and I can go schematic, show equivalent component. Then when I click on this, that one is there. Zoom in a little bit. So this one you can see, and this one, okay. So you can see the equivalent nodes, the equivalent component. From the schematic side, you can also say layout, show equivalent component, and then you click one and it shows up in the layout. From the schematic, you can go layout, show equivalent node. So you click on here, then you see this node, the next one, the next one, the next node. So they're all at the pin. Okay. Now connectivity check. So in this toolbar, this is a nodal connectivity. This is a nodal and physical connectivity. And this one here is physical connectivity only. Let's just use this one. Connect here. So when I click here, from here all the way to the cap. Okay, and then from here, and this is the other side of the cap. Okay, they're all connected. And this one's connected here. This one is connected here. All right, and you can also use a 3D visualization to do the connectivity check. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to stretch a little bit and make the electrics high. And now you can go make the conductors wireframe and use this connectivity toolbar to check who is connected. Okay. And so